In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch templates on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to give your website a fresh coat of paint or totally transform its appearance, knowing how to switch templates effectively can really elevate your site. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about accessing site styles. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your website dashboard on Squarespace. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Styles. This section is your gateway to customizing the visual elements of your site. Here, you can adjust various components like fonts, colors, and spacing. It's like having a digital art studio at your fingertips, allowing you to tailor the look and feel of your website to perfectly match your vision. Now, let me share a handy tip. When you're navigating the Styles section, take your time to play around with different options. Adjusting fonts can dramatically change the tone of your website. For instance, a sleek sans serif font might communicate modernity and professionalism, while a handwritten style can lend a touch of casual charm. Similarly, colors can evoke specific emotions or themes, so experiment with different color palettes to find one that resonates with your site's identity. Next up is utilizing themes. Squarespace offers an assortment of predefined themes. Think of these themes as curated design packages that offer a harmonious blend of fonts, colors, and button styles. Selecting a theme is a brilliant way to revamp your site without having to start from scratch. Imagine it as updating your wardrobe for the new season. You get a fresh, cohesive look with just a few clicks. Applying a new theme can significantly alter your site's overall appearance. Perhaps you're aiming for a minimalist aesthetic or something more vibrant and dynamic. Whatever your goal, there's likely a theme that aligns perfectly with your vision. Once you apply a theme, take a moment to navigate through your site's pages to see the changes in action. It'll give you a great sense of how the new design elements interact across your entire site. Here's a quick note. While themes provide a fantastic foundation, don't hesitate to add your personal touches. Customize elements to ensure your site maintains a distinct personal flair even with a template switch. And there you have it. Switching templates on Squarespace is as seamless as ever. With just a few clicks and adjustments, your site can go from familiar to fantastically fresh, all while maintaining the power and functionality you've come to rely on. So, don't hesitate to explore, experiment, and elevate your online presence with a stunning new look. Thanks for watching and happy designing!